Good evening, guys. Today we have to discuss about measurement of physical quantities. Errors. Error means negative. Negative. Error is a negative. True value minus measured value. Original value minus measured value. Error is positive if measured value is less than true value. If error is negative, measured value is greater than true value. If the true value of a measurement is the arithmetic mean of several repeated measurements, this is the original value, this is the measured value. This is the if del x greater than del x is positive, then if measured value is less than true value greater than, then it is less. This is less, this is greater, then it is positive. It is negative means this is negative, this is positive. This negative means the error is negative, measured value is greater. This is greater, this is lesser, then it is negative. It is greater, this is lesser, then it is negative. It is positive means this is greater, this is lesser. Blindly remember. This is the trick. Accuracy and precision. Next topic. Accuracy. Accuracy means is measure of closeness of the measured value to the true value. Smaller the uncertainty, smaller the negative value in the measured value, greater is the its accuracy. Accuracy means perfection. Perfection. బల్ల కొద్ది బల్ల గుద్ది చెప్పడం. Accuracy. Accuracy persons. In English we have to speak that. Accuracy means exact. Exact. This is exact. Accuracy is measure of closeness of the measured value to the true value. Smaller the uncertainty in the measured value, greater is its accuracy. Precision refers to agreement. Precision means somewhat little changes. Little means 0.9999% is true. 0.99%. Accuracy means exact 1%. Precision means 0.99% is it true. In clearly you have to explain precision and accuracy. A precise precision refers to agreement among a group of measured values. It doesn't imply anything about the relation to the true value. A precise value doesn't necessarily mean an accurate value. Doesn't necessarily mean. And 0.999% mean. This means 0.9. No measurement can be made with complete accuracy. For this, it must be shown by a value with infinite number of decimal values. True value of a measured physical quantity is something that is never none. Depending on their origin, errors may be classified as follows. Already we had discussed accuracy means exact. Precision means 0.99%. Is a precise value doesn't necessarily mean an accurate value. No measurement can be made with complete accuracy. No measurement can be made with complete accuracy. A measurement exact అని చెప్పలేం. Length exact, mass 0.999% precision we have to get na. That is precision. Accuracy. Though no measurement can be made with complete accuracy. Complete accuracy means complete exact ga undadu. That means for this, it must be shown by a value with infinite number of decimal places. Decimal places means 0.99, 0.98, 0.97, 0.96. That it's mean. Okay, true value of the measured physical quantity is something that is never none.